Before starting shielded metal arc welding operations, prepare all necessary apparatus and tools and confirm that they function properly. For the arc welding machine, check and confirm that the primary side cable and the secondary side cap tie table are securely connected and completely covered with insulation tape, that their rubber coating is free from cracks and other abnormalities, and that the welding machine is grounded properly. Confirm that cables have diameters appropriate for the capacity of the welding machine to be used. The electrode holder should be light in weight, easy to hold, and be coated completely with insulation. The electrode should also be easy to attach and detach. The earth clamp is the contact point connecting the secondary side cable with the base metal and workbench. A slack earth clamp will lead to arc instability and can cause heat generation. This DVD uses a practice plate as the base metal. When using an AC arc welding machine, confirm that the automatic voltage reduction device works properly. Arrange your tools in order and within easy reach. Wear cotton work clothing and a work cap. Footwear should be rubber-soled shoes made of leather. Gloves, apron, arm covers, and foot covers should be made of leather, be free of cracks and stains, and be fitted properly. Use a face shield free of breaks, and properly fit it with a filter plate corresponding to the welding current to be used. Regarding covered electrodes for shielded metal arc welding, prepare an ilmenite type. Hereafter we will refer to covered electrodes as welding rods. Please ensure that the welding rods have been dried properly. How you set the welding current will have a significant impact on welding performance. Not only must you know the value of the welding current suitable for your task, but you must also be able to set the required current value quickly and accurately. Procedures for setting welding current are as follows. Allow the welding rod holder to hold the welding rod stud at a right angle. Switch on the arc welding machine's secondary side power source and confirm that the automatic voltage reduction device works properly. Turn the current adjusting handle to set the indicating needle to the desired current value. Hold the welding rod holder with one hand and use the other to let the jaw of the portable ammeter hold part of the cable close to the holder. Strike the tip of the welding rod vertically against the practice plate, then pass a short circuit current. Now check the portable ammeter reading to see if the short circuit current is about 10 amps higher than the desired current value. If not, turn the welding machine's current adjusting handle so that the ammeter needle indicates this value. After adjustment, examine the current when a stable arc is being generated. Strike the welding rod against the practice plate and generate an arc. Maintain the arc so that it makes a cracking sound. Read the portable ammeter indicator needle at this time. The needle moves right and left, so take your reading from the center of the amplitude. Check if the value read at this time is almost equivalent to the short circuit current minus 10 amps. In case of a deviation, make fine adjustments using the adjusting handle. Here we'll show you the basic posture for the flat welding position. Sit forward in a chair placed in front of the workbench with your knees apart. Lean your upper body forward. Raise the arm holding the welding rod until it's nearly horizontal. Now relax your shoulders, relieving them of tension. Striking an arc and maintaining arc length are done like this. Place a practice plate and a welding rod on the workbench. We recommend a mild steel plate around 16 millimeters thick and of medium size. Prepare an ilmenite type shielded metal arc welding rod suitable for use with mild steel. Core wire diameter should be 4 millimeters. Set the current at approximately 180 amps. We'll begin by showing you how to generate arc using the tapping technique. In this technique, an arc is generated by lightly striking the tip of the welding rod near the welding start point on the practice plate, and then pulling the rod tip several millimeters away from the plate the moment short-circuiting occurs. You can also generate arc using the brushing technique. In this technique, you generate an arc by rubbing the tip of the welding rod against the practice plate as if you were striking a match. Relative to the tapping technique, it's easier to generate an arc with the brushing technique. However, the plate is vulnerable to staining, and the welder often misses the targeted welding start point. We recommend that you accustom yourself to the more reliable tapping.